Open the glove box. Remove the access panel. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door. Remove the filter tray. Remove the old filter from the tray and insert your new filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter tray and housing cover. Reinstall the access panel. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.